All right, fast fans, I am out here again, and this time I am on the TBR7. Sorry, no disrespect to Tao Motors, but yeah, this place used to be about 180 acres, so it's half of that now. They're building luxury condominiums, of course. Florida is one of the fastest growing states.
Saloon, receptionist, the saloon, the salon.
I mean, this thing, I could say, man, listen, hey, I got this thing for $700. If you try to get one of these used, I would definitely go that route over buying it brand new. So one thing is that this thing is highly stigmatized because it's a China bike. But if you can catch it on the used market for a couple $100 or a few $100, I mean that's a pretty good deal. This bike is MSRP around $1,400-$1,500 once you get it shipped to your door, of course. And then all the upgrades, of course. And then, this thing came with aftermarket exhaust, which I had my own, so I just basically swapped it out. But I did lose this cap right here that goes on there, and that one came with it, so I just basically swapped it out. But this is my regular exhaust. New header pipe, new pod filter. He took the box away. Obviously the high performance spark plug and wire. These are some pretty good bars right here. Pro taper, of course. He did take off the engine guard. I did get an upgrade LED. He removed the passenger pegs for some reason because I believe he was trying to save weight with all this, and also I didn't get the rack that came with the TBR7. The bike never probably got a change.
He's nice and stupid.
Of oil from the shipping oil, and so it is what it is with that. I did see a lot of metal build-up deposit, but you can come across a guy who actually took care of this thing. This guy was probably just interested in making it, cosmetically better, and he put exhaust in, a better pod filter intake, and then also for $700 you get a street legal motorcycle. If you're not one of those guys who are fancy about it being particularly a Japanese bike. This thing will get you to A and B. You can drive it around town. You can putt around the city. Shout out to all my subscribers. You guys are the best. Thanks for everyone liking, subscribing. I try to be as informative as I can, guys. I mean, these are China bikes, and they are new to the U.S. market, basically. And, they're starting to become the, cheaper option nowadays, especially when you're just trying to use it for commuting. It's better than the scooter, obviously. I mean, you're not riding on that thing. You don't want to be seen on that thing. I would definitely pick this over a scooter for sure. Also, these forks are pretty low. I could raise them up a little bit. You probably lowered it just to get a bit more speed. The bike also came with park busters right here. I mean, you can't beat it. $700. Phone holder. Yeah, I mentioned before it had a quick connect for the battery. I definitely want to change this rear shock, which I have an extra one already, which is actually for the Bros 250. I don't know about the Recon version and what that offers as far as suspension goes for rear, but that one definitely is for the Bros, and so I could probably switch it out with this stock TBR7's rear shock. So I've probably been out here for an hour. I definitely, what kind of bird that is? I definitely been sitting around, so this pipe is pretty cool, as you can see. So I'll cold start it for you guys, let you see how she's running. I did add a high performance CDI that I stated in the last video. That'll give it a better spark, and then obviously the spark plug, NGK, and the wire being high performance will get it a better. And this is obviously with the choke on, and that'll give it a better starting response and performance also. So we'll see how the TBR7 goes, guys. I'm gonna probably be leaving in a few. Thanks for stopping by.